Good morning, everybody. I just got done recapping this Lindsay inverter drive. I put new capacitors into it because it wouldn't power up. These LEDs wouldn't come on, and I had no control voltage on the processor board there. So we're going to put the line voltage of 380 volts AC into this connector right here. Now, before we throw the line voltage at this drive, we're going to cover it up with our blast shield. In case that drive explodes on us, this will contain the blast. Alright, I'm going to go over here and fire it up. Let's see what happens. Looks like it's powered up good. I can see that red alarm LED blinking down there. I'll move the camera so y'all can see that. Alright. Let me move our blast shield out of the way. You can see better. There you go. There's that LED blinking right there. Okay. So after a repair, when you power up a board like this for the first time, you might want to cover it up in case things go badly. Okay. Alright, folks. Thanks for stopping by. And we'll see you next time.